Hello again, welcome back. We have another one from Brew York, and it's a Saison, dry hopped Saison, and it's called Time Travelling Tractor, and it's 7%. I love the artwork. So it's hoppy and malty is the main more hoppy than malty. Time Travelling Tractor, dry hop Saison. First taste of the farmhouse style beers we will be making at our Walmgate site. Time Travelling Tractor is a Belgian Saison twist on our core beer, Time Travelling Taxi. Big hop character paired with dry, spicy Saison yeast. Portion of the beer has gone into wine barrels with some brettanomyces. I think that's a bacteria or a yeast here, to age and develop for a few months, so watch out for that at a later date. Hops: Columbus, Laurel, Citra. Ingredients: water, barley, oats, wheat, hops and yeast. So the tractor is because it's a farmhouse ale. There's always a reason. Let's crack it open. A little bit of fizz there. And my new glass, it's actually a stout glass, but I'll get chucked out the Beer Snobs Guild. And that is very foamy. I tried to do a slow pour, but I can smell it. That is very pale, golden, amber, straw. It's quite active carbonation, a rocky 16-finger head, which is slowly disappearing with the big fish eyes. So, I mean, it is cold. It's been at the fridge like 3 minutes or something. So, I don't know what happened there. It's we'll get the tasting sheet out from craftbeer.com. We'll work our way through that. So colour, let me see, what was that? A 3 light yellow straw, something like that. It's lovely. Clarity, it's almost clear. The colour of foam head retention, I don't know. That's not going to last though, is it? So I'm going to say moderate. And it's very, I don't know, foamy. This is fluffy, maybe. Fluffy. Carbonation visual is medium. So the aroma, let's smell that. Well, I'm getting spiciness, hoppiness, a lot of fruit like pineapple and citrus, you know, grapefruit and grapefruit, that's it. I can smell the alcohol as well. Normally I have trouble smelling that. See how she tastes. Cheers, my dears. It's gorgeous. Brew York have yet to disappoint me. It's fruity. There is a bit hoppy pininess there at the back, especially, but pleasant fruit, and that's something spicy, cloves maybe, subtle but nice. That is really nice. My goodness. So the alcohol aroma, I'm going to say it's mild. I can't notice it. The hops, I was getting that citrus. It's fruity. There's a wee bit pine there as well. There's a wee bit tropical. There's a wee bit spicy. There's a lot going on. The malt aroma. Sort of a white bread, crusty, biscuity, grainy, that region. The esters, well, I don't know what's causing the fruity smell. There's like banana and there's grapefruit as well. That might be the hops, I don't know. And there's a wee bit pineapple. There's a lot going on. The phenols, I never get this. I'm going to say vanilla, because I always say vanilla. The flavour and aftertaste, the alcohol, it's mild. The hop flavour is citrus, fruity, pine, spicy, tropical. How's that for a full house? It's a really nice beer. That's a wee bit of better pour, but still, those bits in it. My goodness, that is so nice. It looks gorgeous as well. The hop bitterness is restrained. The malt flavour is like biscuity, bread floury, bready. The malt sweetness is quite low. What's giving it sweetness? It's not really very sweet. It's low. Palate astringency is low. The body, it's a medium bodied. The choices here is drying soft, mouth coating or sticky. Sometimes you get cloying, but it's not. It's not sticky. It's not mouth coating. I'm going to say soft. Palate carbonation is low. I'm going to say the length is long, more than 60 seconds. That's lasting. And developing. Especially the bitter hops at the end. But with a wee bit of sweetness as well. It's really nice. Balance and drinkability desirable. Style appropriate. I've had a few Saisons now and I do like them. So that's a 440ml can. I bought this directly from the brewery online. Oh yes, there's a bit earthiness there as well. There's a lot going on. Let's see what Untap's got to say. Talk amongst yourselves. Pardon me. Time travelling tractor from Brew York, a farmhouse ale, Saison, 7% ABV, IBU not available. One check-in from a friend who gave it 4 out of 5. Style guide, first taste of the farmhouse style beers we will be making at our Walmgate site, same as what's on the can. And the descriptors are hoppy, bitter, citrus, orange, mouthfeel. Orange. Yeah. But more like a bitter orange. Like the pith, maybe, or the zest. It's really, really nice. So they're giving it, the average score, there's 283 check-ins, which isn't a great deal, is 3.73. I'm giving that 8.8 out of 10, which is high score for me. I think that's a really, really nice beer. 7%, that's well hidden actually. So I could drink one of these and then become unconscious. Anyway, thanks for watching. There's still that carbonation going on, it's beautiful. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears. Oh yeah. Well.